Alright everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and today we have another unboxing of a watch that I've had an eye on now since its release. Basically, I said I was going to get it. Took a little bit longer than I expected, than I wanted, but recently found a good deal and got one secondhand. So let's get into it. And obviously I've had it already, I've been wearing it, but the video is a little bit long overdue, but let's just get into it. So Longines, really nice packaging, nice box. Underneath is the manual and warranty card. So pretty nice stuff there. Let's get this out of the way. And here it is. So the Longines Spirit 37 in this beautiful blue dial. It's so stunning. So there's the hand tags in there. 5-year warranty on this guy. It has the extended power reserve. And like I said, it's just, this blue dial is extremely stunning. It's so hard to take off. It's such a comfortable wear. This is the 37 millimeter, like I said. Really wearable dimensions, 37, 44 lug to lug. With the male end links, it works out to about 48, 49. But it's just absolutely beautiful. It works really well, fits the wrist really well. And yeah, it's hard to capture. Right now I have only one light on, so there's a bit of shadowing. But like I said, this dial is just stunning. The raised applied markers and indices are just beautiful. They're filled with lume. Yeah, the lume is very strong, even for a pilot's watch or a watch like this. For Longines, not known necessarily for the lume, but this one here has been really upgraded and improved, and I'm happy with it. Lasts all night, and you can't go wrong. So this one is the winding position. There's no screw down crown. The 40 millimeter and 42 have the screw down crown, but they both have the same water resistance at 100 meters. This one has the date at the 6 o'clock, which is one of the preferences that I had, other than the size. And yeah, I think this dial and this model, well, not the dial, but this model does it for me in so many ways. The bracelet's also different. I believe on the other ones they have a butterfly clasp. This one has a stamped outer shell, pressed inner, very simple, very comfortable. Lots of micro adjusts. Works for me. Also works really well on a strap, which is how I wore it for the first few days when it came in. And it has the quick release spring bars there. You press it on that button and it pops right out. There's the case back. Really cool, really nice stuff from Longines. They also have the Zulu Time GMT, and they have the Chrono that they just released as well. Same style, same format, obviously with the different complications, different sizes. The Chrono and the GMT are in a 42 millimeter, and they're a little bit thicker. Apparently there's some rumors in the summer coming now. There's going to be a 39 millimeter Zulu Time, and that would be fantastic. I would definitely probably keep an eye out for that one. I probably will get it. I don't know if this one would stay in the collection to have both, but if that one came out, I would probably trade this in and upgrade to that one. But yeah, this blue is just absolutely beautiful. Not going anywhere, this guy, for the immediate time being, so we'll see if it can remain in the collection. But as of right now, it's a keeper, and kind of my first foray into entry-level luxury watch. Obviously, I have the two Mantas. Those are going to be the closest ones, but and once you jump up to this category, you're kind of competing with the Tudors, Oris, Zinn. You're kind of in that collection of higher end Swiss watches. Obviously, there's some brand heritage here that can't be compared to some of those other brands. These guys have been doing pilot watches and watches since the 1800s. They're really, really good. They're part of the Swatch group, so they're going to get all those modern materials and movements and upgrades and all that. So, really, really happy. The transition, the polishing is done to an exceptional level. The It's just really, really nice. The mirror finish, the brush to polish to brush to polish kind of chamfering is so nice, and I couldn't be happier. The crown is nice and big, very easy to operate. The hands are the right size. The second hand is done perfectly. So, like I said, lots to like about this one. I just want to do a quick unboxing, first impressions. Obviously, it's mostly positive. And yeah, there's not too much I would change about this. A lot of people are asking for those female end links, but I think on the 37, you don't need them just because it's already 44 lug to lug. But on the bigger models, it would be cool if it had it for sure. I'm trying to move it around so you guys can see the dial, but yeah, really, really nice stuff. Love the logo. I like the 5 stars down there, the applied 5 stars. Some people don't like it. They say it's too busy, but I really, really like it. So yeah, I will do another video on it once I wear it more, but like I said, it's a positive unboxing, first impressions, and I have been wearing it already a little bit, so not too much else to say. So let me know what you guys think of this release. Would you get it? Are you looking for the GMT or the Chrono? Let me know now below, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.